Hello, this is Anish Joshi and my roll number is 21CH30017. So today I am going to disassemble an electric drilling machine for my DIY assignment. So this drilling machine is made by the company Black& Decker. So first of all, let's see if this drill machine is working. So now I'm pressing this trigger and you can see that the drilling machine is working. So now let's disassemble this. So this is how the interior of the drilling machine looks like. This is the power cord through which the power comes to the drilling machine. There are two wires. One with the reddish brown color is the phase wire and the other with the blue color is neutral wire. These wires are connected to the power supply unit which has a switch and a capacitor. This capacitor acts as a spike suppressor. Further, the power goes to the commutated AC series motor. This motor has two parts, a stator and a rotor. This is the stator and a rotor is below the stator. The rotor is also called the armature. The rotor receives the power with the help of this circuit, which is called thyristor circuit. The thyristorized circuit gives power to the carbon brushes, which are present on the two sides of the commutator. So this is the commutator, and these are the two carbon brushes. The power goes to the commutator, and the commutator in turn rotates this motor. The thyristor circuit helps to achieve the speed of the drilling machine. So while the motor runs, it gets heated, and for that, there is a fan present to cool this motor. So further on the shaft, we have a worm. So the worm is nothing but a threaded screw-like structure. This worm is attached to the worm wheel, and there is a certain gear ratio present between the worm and the worm wheel, which helps to achieve the speed of the drilling machine. So next on the shaft, we have the chuck of the drill machine. So this is the chuck, and these are the jaws of the jaws of the chuck. All this load is carried by the ball bearings. So we have ball bearings present here, 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 and here. Yeah. Now we will fix the drill bits in the jaw of the chuck. So these are the drill bits. So we will fit this drill bit in the jaw. So this is done with the help of the chuck key. So we will use this chuck key in order to tighten this drill bit. So now you can see that the drill bit is fixed to this jaw. Now I am removing this drill bit. This chuck key has a holder which is present on the power cable. So this is the holder of the chuck key. So this is the interior of the drill machine. Now we will assemble this again. So now we have reassembled this drilling machine and we will check whether it's working or not. So yes, this is working. So that's the assembly disassembly of an electric drilling machine. Thank you.